Hello, this is Eric at Print Short Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2021 Ford F-150 in a Lariat trim and powered by a 5-liter V8 engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing. Coming with running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in, but let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back seat, we have spacious seating for 3 with a nice full leather interior that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you might want to put back here. And then in the middle, you have fold-out armrests with 2 cup holders, as well as having 2 more in the middle there, with a 12-volt USB and USB-C and 120-volt power outlet, as well as heated rear seats. This truck does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks with 3 memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat, steering wheel, pedals, and your mirrors. Now, sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your trip and fuel information, truck info, towing information, navigation controls, phone controls, audio controls, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. And then you also have My View, which is like a favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. Moving on to the left, you have your cruise controls with distance pacing technology, lane keeping system, and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost. Favorite screen for all of your most used apps and settings, whatever apps you may have installed. Settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle, and your general truck features such as driver assistance, zone lighting, towing, and owner's manual. Shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera so you can see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything. Above that, you have your camera button again, so you can see where you're going. Hazards, hill descent assist, traction control shut off, and you have a premium B&O sound system, so your audio is going to sound pretty decent. Moving down, you have your media controls and then your climate controls here with dual zone front climate, heated and air conditioned front seats, and a heated steering wheel so you can stay comfortable. To the left, you have your Pro Trailer backup controller, trailer brake controller, and 4x4 controls with 4 auto and a locking rear differential, as well as your drive mode selector for normal, slippery, deep snow sand, mud ruts, and rock crawl mode. And then on the opposite end, you have tow haul, eco, and sport mode. So you can customize your driving experience a bit there. Moving on to the right, you have a 12-volt and 120-volt power outlet, as well as this compartment up here for more storage. And moving down, you have this compartment with a USB and USB-C, so you can plug something in from there. Then you have your main shifter here with select shift on the side, so you can manually shift through your gears, and can be collapsed flat and out of the way, so you have more open room here, and so that you can fold out your interior work surface. So if you want a nice flat surface to eat off of, work off of, whatever you want to do with it is there and quite convenient. And then this is also a locking compartment / armrest with a removable tray. Ton of room inside, including another USB and USB-C, so you can plug something in from there as well. And then, I believe last but not least, you have a power sliding rear window. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.